Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoWalk. So today we have something special in this video for all the automotive enthusiasts. I recently had an incredible opportunity to visit the Tata Motors manufacturing plant at Jamshedpur, and let me tell you, it was an eye-opening experience. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Tata Motors small commercial vehicles and explore why they are perfect choice for businesses of all sizes. So let's dive right in. So before we go into the features and benefits of Tata Motors small commercial vehicles, let me briefly share my visit to their state-of-art manufacturing plant. The plant is a marvel of modern engineering, showcasing Tata Motors' commitment to innovation and quality.
ट्रक्स का और बसेस का तो कस्टमर वैल्यू एनहेंसमेंट इज द फिलॉसफी कि कोई भी चेंज जो होगा टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज उसके लिए हमें वैल्यू एनहेंसमेंट करना है, तभी कस्टमर इस चीज़ को अडॉप्ट करेगा। और जो हमारे देश की लॉजिस्टिक्स इंडस्ट्री है उसको एफिशिएंट बनाने के लिए वैल्यू एनहेंसमेंट टू द एंड कस्टमर इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। तो इसके लिए हमने क्या किया कि इसके बाद इनका तो ये सारी नए प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं ये एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन की हमारी।
Now let's shift our focus to Tata Motors' impressive lineup of small commercial vehicles. Whether you are a startup, a local business, or an established enterprise, these vehicles offer the perfect solution for your transportation needs. So one of the key strengths of Tata Motors small commercial vehicles is their versatility. They come in a range of models from compact vans to sturdy pickups, allowing you to choose the vehicle that best suits your requirements. No matter the nature of the business, Tata Motors has a vehicle that will fit right in. Reliability. When it comes to reliability, Tata Motors has an exceptional track record. Their small commercial vehicles are built to last. Designed with robust engineering and tested rigorously to withstand the toughest conditions, you can rely on Tata Motors vehicles to keep your business running smoothly day after day. Fuel efficiency. In today's world, fuel efficiency is crucial for any business looking to minimize cost and reduce environmental impact. Tata Motors understands this need, and their small commercial vehicles are engineered to deliver impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. With lower fuel consumption, you'll save money and contribute to a greener future. Safety. Safety should always be a top priority, and Tata Motors takes it seriously. Their small commercial vehicles are equipped with advanced safety technology and features such as reinforced structures and many more. You can have peace of mind knowing that Tata Motors prioritizes the well-being of both the driver and the cargo. So finally, Tata Motors small commercial vehicles are the best to their commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Whether you need a reliable delivery van, a tough pickup truck, or anything in between, Tata Motors has got you covered. So I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into Tata Motors small commercial vehicles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AutoWalk for more exciting content related to business, entrepreneurship, and automobiles. Until next time, subscribe to AutoWalk. Thank you for watching. Take care.